Alright.
Okay, we're good.
There's gonna be some old people. Oh, she isn't the red car. She's the blue SUV thingy.
These people gonna walk in front of us.
Like we're some special agents or something.
We actually are.
He is.
And we should
Okay.
be like,
Special agent. Retard 1, retard 2, retard 3,
I'm
and
Special
retard
Agent
4.
Rambo. You did not get the cool name.
Alright, y'all get ready. Because when that old lady comes walking by, Kaylin, no one can see you.
I can see your white
Shut
shirt.
up.
You're like crawling down in the
No,
floorboard,
electrocute
dude.
your
They can
booty.
only see you if they come up and like cup their hands around the
Electrocute my
window.
boobie and I'm gonna rip your titty off.
Okay.
Oh, there's people.
Oh, people. Do I do it?
No.
Oh, well, they're gone. Oh, that was that guy who looked like a girl.
That would be a girl who looked like a guy.
And that one, too.
Oh, do not start making out in the
It had
parking
boobs.
lot.
It had boobs. But
It had boobs.
Dude, when's that? Oh.
Ah, little kid. Don't do them.
Yes, old lady.
No, that's a little kid.
Y'all ready?
There's a kid.
I am a little kid.
Do it.
Okay, hold on. Right for Sorry. Okay, you ready to watch the old lady? Go watch the old lady.
I